So this is my USB drive, and I just realized all my files are gone. I don't remember whether I deleted them or formatted the drive, but either way, in this video, I'll get everything back on my drive. Before we try anything, you need to understand this. When you delete a file, it doesn't actually disappear. It just turns into free space waiting to be overwritten. The data is still there, just hidden. But if you keep using the USB like copying files, saving things, or formatting it, that space can get reused. And once it's overwritten, it's gone for good. So the most important rule is stop using the drive immediately. Now, there are 3 ways to get your files back, and you should try them step by step to recover them as quickly as possible. First, check trash. Now, on a Mac, when you delete a file from a USB, it usually follows the normal deletion flow. It goes to the trash. You'll find the trash in the dock, that bin icon at the bottom of your screen. So open it and look for your file. Right-click it and click Put Back to restore it. But here's something most people don't know, that when you delete files from an external drive, they don't always show up in the main trash. So the second way is hidden trash on USB. External drives actually have their own separate hidden trash folder. That's why you might not see your files in the regular trash. To check this, open your USB in the Finder and press Shift, Command and period to show hidden files. Normally, you'd see a trash folder here where your deleted files might be hiding, but as in my case, sometimes that folder doesn't exist. So there are chances you might not be able to find your files using these 2 methods. Maybe you emptied the trash, formatted the drive, or the files got corrupted. In these cases, we'll have to run a deep scan on disk sectors, find the file fragments, and rebuild them to their usable state. For that, I'll use EASA's Data Recovery Wizard. One big reason is that it has an upgraded recovery algorithm specifically for frequently used external drives like my USB drive here. So it can actually recover and even repair files in a way that other tools cannot. It also gives you about 2 GB of free recovery, which is perfect for quick restores. Step 1 is scan. Just launch the program, select your USB drive, and start the scan. It supports USB drives from different brands, and as it scans, files start appearing in real time, which is a really good sign. It means your data hasn't been overwritten yet, so your recovery chances are high. Now, step 2 is preview and filter. Now you can filter by file type, date, or size, and click any file to preview it for free. It supports over 1,000 file types, so you can confirm the file is intact before recovering it. If the full content shows in preview, it means the file can be recovered perfectly. And if it's damaged, the software will start to repair it automatically. Step 3 is recover. Once you're ready, select your files and click recover. But make sure you save them to your Mac, not back onto the USB, to avoid overwriting anything. And that's it. Your photos, videos, and documents should open normally if recovery was successful. The key takeaway, as long as your data hasn't been overwritten, there's a really strong chance you can get everything back. I hope this video helped. Until next time.